Hey guys, it is grocery haul time, and this was actually a pretty good grocery haul from Aldi. I spent a total of $26.90, and not including this lotion. We will talk about this in a minute. But I got some more lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. I want to start trying to do that cleanse again in the mornings. Last week I had couscous and chicken, and oh my goodness, it was absolutely delicious. I looked forward to my lunches every single day. Didn't get sick of it, so I'm gonna do it again. So I have teriyaki chicken marinating right now that I have to cook up, and then I got some roasted garlic and olive oil couscous and Parmesan couscous, which is just so good. Then I tried almond milk in my coffee and absolutely loved it. So I bought 2 almond milks, one to leave at work and one to leave at home, and I was in a rush and it was crowded because it's Sunday afternoon, and I actually got an original and not vanilla, but we'll see. I'm sure it's still delicious in the coffee. Got some angel hair pasta just to stock up on that, some Fit and Active yogurt. I'm absolutely loving yogurt for breakfast, and I cut up some sliced strawberries and have it in it. It's such a great breakfast. It's only 2 points for a half a cup, which is just phenomenal, and it's so good, so good. So then I got 2 heads of lettuce as well, or I'm sorry, not lettuce, broccoli as well. Okay, so for this lotion, it's the Amnactin, I think that's how you say it, lotion. It is 7.9 ounces. I found this from Cambria Joy, and she is a vlogger as well. She's a trainer, and she is doing her wedding, and she, like many of us women, have the red bumps on our arms. And she said this is amazing to get rid of those red bumps. So I bought it on Amazon. It was $13. I will leave the link below. I've been doing it for a week and a half now, and I can notice such a big difference on my arms. So guys, if you have those red bumps, please, please, please try this stuff. It's amazing, and it is only $13 for this bottle. And one full pump does both of my arms, so you don't need a lot at all. And like I said, $13 on Amazon. I will leave the link below. So that is my Aldi grocery haul for the week, with my chicken and couscous lunches and teriyaki sauce. I got that as well. So let me know what you guys are having for the week, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.